Hello YouTubers. I was coming out today to harvest some of the shallots. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull them all up. Some of them are split into two. Some are split into three. Others are split into four. But they're looking really good. Definitely ready to come out. I have some more throughout the garden in different beds. But thought I'd go ahead and harvest this. And when I finish harvesting it, I'll let you see how much I've gotten from the bed. I planted these around February. I typically can get them my first picking in March. That's why I planted in the fall. Then I plant some in February that I normally pick around now. And then I'll plant some more after these are done, and I should be able to pick them the end of August, the beginning of September. One reason I grow these is because the taste, the cross between the onion and the garlic, which is really nice. Another reason is they're so expensive in the store. They're like $6, $7 a pound in the store. So again, I try to grow some more expensive vegetables, even though I am experimenting with potatoes this year. Well, let me grab this up and let me show you what I got. Well, this is what I ended up with. This right here was a very nice harvest. Did really well with them. I got some more throughout the garden, but I am definitely very happy the way these went. Good thing about it is you take a bulb and you pull some of the paper off of it, you split it, because it normally has two pieces in there, and then you plant each piece separately. And you typically get anywhere from 3 to 4 per plant out of that one bulb. I even had 3 of them that had 5 on it, so that was kind of awesome. But I did quite well. I'm going to cut a piece of the tops, some of the tops off, save some up for stir fry. I'm going to knock some of the roots off, leave it out here so it can actually air dry. After air dries for about a good 24 to 48 hours, I'll take it and stick it into my garage. I could stick it up on the house, but I think I'll do it at the garage this year. Another good thing, since we're here, is the potatoes are starting to flower. Can't wait till we have an opportunity to do a reveal on those. But right now, everything's taking off quite well. I just wanted to do a quick update again on the shallots, whichever way you like to pronounce them. So I'll do a garden update later on in the week. Thank you for tuning in. Happy gardening, and God bless.